nyash or small?
Bro, I like big. See me, I'm very small. You know? I like them when they are big.
Ma, you're proud of your mazima. Hey, thank you. Say dichi.
Nze go big nyash.
Mazima. Hey, come on, what you again?
Point of correction, we have the big, we have the medium, and we have the small.
Sorry. Yeah. Wizard of Love presenting anti ngenda kuwangamba isaamu ku street za UAE. Tuli ku Nyondo Media tuwerabira. Tugenda kumanya oba kubuuza abantu ba Alnada. Tuli ku street je bayita Albada. Twagala batunnyonnyolemu what is nyash. Tuwulira nyash, big nyash, small nyash. Twagala tumanye bo nyash bakitegeera batya. So, beera wamu ku Nyondo Media tovaawo. Anti tuba tutuse ku street yaffe Albada. Anti tuli Alnada Shalja. Tugenda kubanga tuba tusako. Anti twagambye omulama bagenda kubanga batunnyonnyola what is nyash. Bo bakitegeera batya. How do they describe the word nyash? Tugenda kubanga tubayitaayitamu already abantu we bali batandise dokwe gwe tugwira yenna. Yeah. Tugenda kukikuba tugenda kubanga tuseka byonna bigenda kuba mulo.
Yagala mekeno sela bujeni nerimo munyo oyagala jijigwe songenyo ono yetaka sano bankume choto baby let's kick them like a ball your love is food for my soul.
Yo, how far bro?
Good na. How far na?
Where you from?
I'm from Uganda.
Adogina nakunjogeza oluzungu. Bae wadentide nga n'omutima gutandise okuba guti ngenda kwogera oluzungu. Oluzungu olumanyi. Naye ng'agamba atya papa? Oli fit?
Ogamba oli.
Sigamba wendi tuyamba. Mpola mpola. Gigenda gitya nga weesaza akagundi. Oli muvuzi wa delivery.
Uganda wange ngenda ku mirimu gy'abasajja nze ndi mufumbi.
Oli mufumbi. Ofumba ki?
Nfumba Arabic food.
Omusajja ng'oli w'amaanyi. So wonsangidde wano mbadde nina ekibuuzo. Nga njagala nkubuuze tuwulira nyash. Ekigambo nyash okitegeera otya?
Ekigambo nyash kikozesebwa nnyo baganda baffe abava mu West Africa naddala aba Nigeria. Kitegeeza akabina ffe tuyita akabina.
Bo bakayita nyash. Kakati waliwo small nyash and big nyash. Kati nga gwe kabulaza ogwawa.
Nze muganda wange ku big nyash tonzijaawo.
Mazima.
Obadde kikwe tobimanyi. Big nyash ogimanyi awo nfiirawo muganda.
Ba small nyash de kyeko toyagalirako dda.
Tekigwa blood.
Mazima. Kale jebaleko mami.
Sebo dawe jebaliko.
Ng'olabika bulungi. Mazima todduka siri abantu. Kiki ontidde?
Sikutidde.
Oba otya kamera?
Ntya kamera.
Aliwa. Naye nga mbadde n'ekibuuzo wano. Omanyi waliwo ekigambo ekyogerwa nyash.
I know.
Okimanyi kyekiregeeza?
Ya akabina akanene.
Mazima. Kakati gwe oli ku side ki?
Nze ndi ku small nyash.
Mazima. Small nyash. Aba big nyash toyagala kumanya.
Sagala kumanya.
Todduka kamera togidduka.
Nibuuza mukama kye yampa.
Mazima. You're proud of your Mazima. Thank you. Be proud of your small nyash. Lakubasobola bagamba nze what I choose. How are you, my sister?
I'm fine, how are you?
Where are you from?
From Uganda.
Mazima. Buli angamba ava Uganda mpulira essanyu nga sagala kwogera luzungu. Naye nga kigenda gitya?
Mirungi.
How is Shalja?
Shalja ya bunkenke.
Bunkenke. Naye nga mbadde n'ekibuuzo wano mami. Tuwulira ekigambo nyash. So gwe kitegeera otya?
Nyash kaba kabina.
Nyash kaba kabina. Anti katulinawo small nyash ne big nyash. So kakati gwe oli ku side ki?
Nze ndi ku big nyash.
Mazima. kibalage. Big Nyash the Sheko. Aho tuli kumulamwa. So aba small Nyash tebalina kye batugamba.
Beyiye.
Beyiye.
Nyo bagwa.
Mazima. Ndoza muwulidde ba small Nyash temulina kye mutugamba. Yeah. How are you, my brother?
I am fine.
You're fine.
Yes.
Where are you from?
Pakistan.
From Pakistan. Do you understand the word Nyash?
Understand?
You understand?
Yes.
Oh, how do you understand it?
Good understanding.
How can you describe the word Nyash?
Yash. All yash.
Nyash, it means big bam bam and small bam bam. So, small or big?
Big.
You like big?
No, small.
You like small?
Small like.
What about you, my brother? You like small or big?
Big.
No, I am Muslim.
You So, you don't like big Nyash, you want small Nyash?
Small yash.
Yeah, it's better for you.
Small.
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 Mazima mumwewulirideko yayagala ka small Nyash aba big Nyash no tova ku Nyondo Media anti tukyabuuza tugudde ku bannannyini kagambo Nyash atunnyonnyole Nyash bo bakitegeera bata ye lwaki bakiyita Nyash. How are you, my brother?
Fine.
You're good. So I have a question here. We hear you from Nigeria. You call, for us we call it bam bam buttocks, but for you call it Nyash.
Yeah, we call it Nyash.
Nyash. What do you call it Nyash?
I just grew up hearing that.
Grown up hearing that. Okay. So between small Nyash and big Nyash, what do you offer? What do you prefer?
I offer like I like women, you know.
Yeah.
I like portable yash. I don't like big yash. I don't like small yash. I like portable, medium.
Medium. I see now. So you better go with the medium. This big Nyash, no.
I don't like too much yash. Like too much for everything. I don't like it. I like women that stand straight, like something like that. That have figures.
Figure.
Yeah.
Okay. There is some women with figure, with big Nyash. Yeah, looking good.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
As long as they have figure.
Yeah.
Okay. I see. My brother, how far?
Yeah, I did fine. Have fun now.
You're fine. So I have a question here.
Yeah, what question is that?
Yeah. So we're hearing the word Nyash. How do you understand the word Nyash?
For we Nigerians or Nyash, you can call Nyash. How do I explain to you? Mostly you find them in ladies. They have you can call them buttocks like that.
So for you, call it Nyash. So
That's the pidgin language.
pidgin language. Nah. So what do you prefer, big Nyash or small Nyash?
Bro, I like big. See me, I'm very small. You know, I like them when they are big. You know, when you eat meat, you can't be eating bones every time. Bones is not good. You understand?
So you prefer big Nyash?
Yes, very good. Big Nyash is very good. You know, for guys you can be. If you are slim as a guy is good. When it comes to lady, at least you have to have meat. You know,
Meat.
how can you eat food without meat, bro? So you understand? So stuff like that is very good. Me, I like them when they are big. I prefer big.
You prefer big?
Very big.
I see, my brother.
Women have too much big, you know?
Hey, you like Ugandan women, eh?
Bro,
Huh?
those size is what we Nigerians we like. We like big size, big things. So it makes sense.
So my brother,
Yeah, how are you?
where from?
I'm from Nigeria.
From Nigeria. The one using the one Nyash.
Yes.
So I was asking here.
Okay.
We have big Nyash and small Nyash. So what do you prefer?
Point of correction, we have the big, we have the medium, and we have the small.
Sorry.
It's always like flat. You understand? Why the big one? The big one,
That one is not called Nyash.
we call it's still same. The pathway use it for excrete now, so it's nyash.
Yeah, I call it bow line.
Okay, bow line. I just learned that now. So that of the big nyash is mostly for the Ugandans. They have big axe.
I know Ugandans with
they have big acts. Why? Although I don't like big one because it's very difficult to lift. I don't like stress.
My friend, how could you leave big nyash?
You know the big nyash is not always easy. Like me now, I have just small stature, so I cannot lift the big nyash. But I like the medium. You understand that at least
You can lift, yeah?
and you can lift, you can twist, you know. Exercise yourself when you understand.
I understand.
So that is it.
Okay. You know, many Nigerians, when we ask, they like big nyash, but you're different.
Yeah, I'm different from them. I don't like. My eyes are not big. You understand? I like taking things to my power.
You don't want extraordinary.
No, I don't want to take what I cannot chew.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Mwemuliddeko ye. Banaye ng'oli eyo nga weepikira big nyash nga tosobola agyetikka. Banaye gyesonyiwe. Mira ky'osobola okugaaya. Sige mazima. Ana abasajja mbewuliriddeko mulimu abagala ziri zinyashi zikagujje zikabejja ne mbamu n'abagala buno obw'okweyiya. Naye nga tova ku mutimbagano gwa Nyondo Media wogenda okusanga ebinyuma ebisesa ebyomukwano ebikaabya byonna ku Nyondo Media. Subscribe, comment, share and like. Okitegeera. So nsigadde nze Wizard of Love. Naye nga nkoze ne munnange ali ku kamera wiki kabejja kagujje. Naye nga musigaleko abankuumire.
ekizigo ekigoba binnamakula ebizimba byonna ebikuli ku mubiri ng'owulira tobyetaaga kikino Nyondo Glim ekizigo mbagambye ekizigo ekigoba namakula ebiguuna byonna ebizimba ebikuli ku mubiri kikino Nyondo ani atamanyi Nyondo Media Dukira wefunire ekizigo lemuleko okugoba abaami mu mayumba muleko okutugoba bannange nze nzija okukimira mu omukyala muletera ekizigo ekyange ewa Nyondo Media oba Nyondo contactinga ku namba noti 52 8 noti 778 eyo enamba gicontactinge wefunire ekizigo ekinakunyiriza ekinakumira ku mutindo asigadde tubo Urban Voice DXB tweyanziza nnyo.